Are you ready to transform your kitchen into a wellness sanctuary? Let's unlock the secret. In this video, we're embarking on a flavorful journey with a spice that's not just for your meals, but a treasure for your health. We're talking about ginger tea, a natural elixir with a history as rich as its taste. From soothing an upset stomach to rejuvenating your mind, ginger tea is more than just a comforting brew. Today, we'll unveil 8 astonishing reasons why sipping on ginger tea daily can be a game changer for your well-being. But before we dive into this spicy saga, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join us on this journey to natural health and vitality, alleviates nausea and vomiting. Ginger tea, renowned for its soothing properties, stands as a formidable ally against the discomfort of nausea and vomiting. Its effectiveness spans various conditions, from the unsettling motion sickness experienced during travel to the more severe nausea associated with chemotherapy treatments. Pregnant women, too, find solace in ginger tea, as it gently eases morning sickness without the need for pharmaceuticals. The secret behind ginger's efficacy lies in its active components, like gingerol, which interact with the body's digestive and nervous systems to quell the feelings of nausea. This natural remedy has been a cornerstone in traditional medicine for centuries, offering a gentle yet powerful solution for those seeking relief. Personal anecdotes and testimonials further attest to ginger's effectiveness. Many travelers swear by ginger tea as their go-to remedy for motion sickness. They often share stories of how a simple cup of ginger tea made their journeys more comfortable. Similarly, individuals undergoing chemotherapy have reported significant reductions in their nausea symptoms after incorporating ginger tea into their daily routine. Promotes digestive health. Beyond its anti-nausea capabilities, ginger tea plays a vital role in promoting overall digestive health. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, enhancing the body's ability to break down and absorb nutrients from food. This stimulation leads to more efficient digestion, reducing common issues like bloating and indigestion. Ginger's positive impact on digestive health is not just anecdotal, it's backed by scientific research. Studies have shown that regular consumption of ginger can improve gastrointestinal motility, ensuring a smoother digestive process. To incorporate ginger's digestive benefits into your daily routine, try this simple ginger tea recipe. Boil a cup of water and add a slice of fresh ginger. Let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your taste preference. This easy-to-make tea not only aids digestion, but also serves as a warm, comforting beverage. Combats inflammation and infections. Ginger's benefits extend beyond the digestive system. It is also celebrated for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it an effective natural remedy for various inflammatory conditions and infections, particularly those affecting the respiratory system. The anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger, such as gingerols and showgales, play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body. This reduction in inflammation is particularly beneficial for those suffering from respiratory ailments like colds, flu, asthma, and bronchitis. Ginger tea helps in alleviating symptoms like congestion and sore throat, providing a soothing effect. For an enhanced respiratory benefit, try a ginger lemon tea recipe. Simply add a few slices of ginger and a squeeze of fresh lemon to boiling water. This combination not only boosts the immune system with vitamin C from the lemon, but also maximizes the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits of ginger. Alleviates muscle and joint discomfort. Ginger, a natural spice revered for its culinary uses, also harbors potent medicinal properties, particularly in alleviating muscle and joint discomfort. This benefit of ginger is not just folklore, it is grounded in scientific research. Studies have shown that ginger contains anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, making it effective in reducing pain and discomfort associated with various conditions. One notable study from the University of Georgia revealed that daily ginger consumption resulted in moderate to large reductions in muscle pain following exercise. This is particularly significant for athletes or individuals engaged in regular physical activities. The study suggested that the anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger, such as gingerols, could be responsible for this pain-relieving effect. Another research angle focuses on chronic conditions like arthritis and osteoarthritis. Ginger has been found to reduce symptoms of arthritis, including pain and stiffness, by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory compounds in the body. This makes ginger a potential natural alternative to over-the-counter pain medications, which can have side effects when used long-term. Incorporating ginger into post-workout routines can be both simple and effective. One way is to include fresh ginger or ginger powder in post-workout meals or smoothies. This not only aids in muscle recovery, but also enhances the flavor of the food. Another method is to prepare a warm ginger tea after workouts, which can help soothe sore muscles and joints. For topical application, ginger oil can be mixed with a carrier oil and massaged into sore areas to provide relief. Relieves menstrual cramps. Ginger's benefits extend to women's health, particularly in alleviating menstrual cramps, a common issue faced by many women. The discomfort and pain during menstruation can be debilitating, but ginger offers a natural remedy to ease these symptoms. Clinical studies have supported the efficacy of ginger in reducing the severity of menstrual pain. It is believed that ginger achieves this by lowering the levels of prostaglandins, which are compounds in the body that cause inflammation and pain. By doing so, ginger not only reduces the intensity of pain, but also helps in managing other menstrual symptoms, like bloating and fatigue. To harness ginger's benefits for menstrual cramp relief, a soothing ginger tea blend can be prepared. This blend can include ingredients like chamomile, which has calming properties, and cinnamon, known for its anti-inflammatory effects. To make this tea, steep a piece of fresh ginger, a few chamomile flowers, and a cinnamon stick in boiling water for about 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy this comforting tea, which can be consumed a few days before and during the menstrual period for best results. Promotes satiety and blood sugar regulation. Ginger's role in promoting satiety and regulating blood sugar levels is a subject of increasing interest in nutritional science. This versatile root, known for its pungent flavor, is not just a culinary delight, but also a potential ally in weight management and diabetes control. Research has indicated that ginger can influence weight loss and blood sugar regulation in several ways. Firstly, it appears to enhance the feeling of fullness after eating, which can help reduce overall calorie intake. This effect of ginger can be particularly beneficial for those trying to manage their weight. By curbing hunger, ginger can make it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan without feeling deprived. In terms of blood sugar regulation, ginger has shown promising results. Studies suggest that it can help stabilize blood glucose levels, which is crucial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. By improving insulin sensitivity, ginger can play a role in preventing the spikes and drops in blood sugar that can lead to cravings and erratic eating habits. For those looking to incorporate ginger into a weight loss regimen, a ginger-infused smoothie is an excellent option. Here's a simple recipe. Blend a cup of almond milk, a small piece of fresh ginger, a handful of spinach, half a banana, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. This smoothie is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients and fiber, making it a perfect breakfast or snack for weight management. Prevents cardiovascular diseases. Ginger's potential benefits extend to cardiovascular health, particularly in supporting heart health and managing blood pressure. The compounds found in ginger, such as gingerols and shogaols, have been studied for their effects on the heart and blood vessels. One of the key ways ginger may benefit heart health is by improving blood circulation and lowering blood pressure. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for heart disease, and managing it is crucial for cardiovascular health. Ginger's natural compounds have been found to relax the blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing pressure on the heart. Additionally, ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help prevent heart disease. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are known contributors to the development of cardiovascular conditions. By combating these processes, ginger can help maintain a healthy heart and vascular system, enhances memory. Recent research has shed light on ginger's cognitive benefits, particularly for middle-aged women. Studies have suggested that ginger may enhance brain function and memory, making it a valuable dietary addition for cognitive health. One study focused on the effects of ginger on cognitive function and memory in middle-aged women. The results indicated that regular consumption of ginger led to improvements in working memory and cognitive processing abilities. These findings are significant as they suggest that ginger could be a simple and natural way to support brain health. For those interested in leveraging ginger's cognitive benefits, a morning ginger tea ritual can be a great start. Brewing a cup of ginger tea each morning is not only a refreshing way to begin the day, but also a potential boost to brain function. To make the tea, steep a few slices of fresh ginger in boiling water for about 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. Adding a squeeze of lemon or a teaspoon of honey can enhance the flavor. As we've explored today, ginger tea isn't just a warm and spicy beverage. It's a cup full of health benefits waiting to enhance your life. Start brewing your way to better health and let us know how it goes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos on natural remedies and healthy living. Your journey to a healthier you starts with a single sip. Thank you for watching and being a part of our health-conscious community. Until next time, stay healthy and keep glowing.